Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper. Yes, the first newspaper in the year 2022 on January the 5th. Yeah, I've already solved one puzzle, 1 out of 6. Well, I've told you half of the puzzles I will do in this additional because there are 6 puzzles. Otherwise, it's too much for me to do them all. So 3 puzzles I will do. The 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. It's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, boys and girls, number 3924. It will be. Yes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary box of binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So the rest are the ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here also. Between a 1 and an O, there's always an O and a 1 there with 2 empty boxes. Yes. I think we need to compare here. I cannot do it without. But I see this row and that row almost the same. Yeah. Yeah, let me do this. Yeah, I cannot. One of the followers of my channel want me not to compare, but I can guess. But it's easier to compare because the goal is not to have one of the rules is not to have identical rows, and this row and that row are almost the same. Look, 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 empty box. So these 2 digits we need to switch, otherwise if I place an O and a 1 there, then we have identical rows. Not allowed, one of the rules. So we have an O here, this should be a 1, and here we have a 1, this should be an O. I cannot guess, because if I guess, then we have identical rows. Alright, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes, only one time. Comparing. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic one, tectonic with 4 stars. Hope this will be really a 4 stars. I like tectonics when it's especially 4 stars. I hope the publisher let me think very hard with my brains. Until then, bye bye for now.